Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share my experience using the Tozo Golden X1 earbuds after a whole year of daily use. Now if you remember, we were pretty impressed with these earbuds when they launched. Did a review on my other channel, and today I'm happy to report they've held up incredibly well. From sound quality to battery life and durability, these have been a solid pair of earbuds. So guys, let's dive into details and have a look. And there they are, just there, as you can see. And I also like the how they put the timing and charging in there. It's really, really good. So I've done several Tozo reviews here, and you all know I love their products. They're affordable but packed with features. The Golden X1 was Tozo's first big leap into premium audio, competing with higher-end earbuds at a fraction of the price. After a year, I can confidently say these earbuds still deliver outstanding value. I'd even put them up there with some of the top tier brands. So make sure to like, subscribe, and check the link below to pick up a pair if you haven't already. One of the first things, guys, I noticed over the past year is just how durable these earbuds are. So the IPX6 rating means they're resistant to sweat and splashes, making them perfect for gym sessions, runs, or even walking in the rain. And as you can see, with a nice design there as well, they really just fit in the ears. That kind of sits over your ear perfectly, so you don't have to worry about it. Despite being tossed around my gym bag and used daily, these held up really well. As you can see, there's no scratches, no issues, just solid build quality that feels premium. Now let's talk about the design. Well, they fit comfortably and snugly in the ear, as you can see just here. So whether I'm relaxing, working out, commuting, they stay in place and are super comfortable, even for long listening sessions. Now guys, I know what you're thinking. Andy, how's the sound been? Well guys, you're thinking, how's the sound been? Well, let's get into the sound, because this is where the Golden X1 really shines. Each earbud is equipped with 12mm drivers, LDAC support, and higher res audio certification. These earbuds deliver a full, rich sound profile. The soundstage is impressive. You can hear the music room come to life with deep bass, clear mids, and sparkling highs that add layers to each song. So as you guys know, I love dance music, but I also tested with rock, hip hop, and podcasts, and the sound quality remains absolutely top notch. The app itself also allows you to fine tune the sound to your personal preference. You can adjust the bass, treble, and even create your own sound profile. So guys, over time I've played around with the settings a lot. It's amazing how customizable experience can be. The different modes like the bass boost and clarity settings add real depth, and depending on what I'm listening to, and thanks to their dynamic range control, even at high volumes, you don't lose out on clarity, which is great. And as you guys know, I do heaps of earbud reviews, and I'd say these are really up there with like the Apple pods and stuff like that. So again, battery life is still impressive. So I got 8 hours on a single charge in the earbuds, 32 hours with a case in total. And even after a year, guys, I'm getting very close to those numbers. And the fast charging capability through the USB-C port has been a lifesaver. Pop them in for about 10 minutes and get hours of playback. Guys, it's super convenient when I'm on the go. The Golden X1 also comes with active noise cancellation. It's really been a game changer for me. So how this works is when I'm in noisy environments or just want to focus, you press a button and the ANC does a great job at reducing background sounds. So I use it at the gym, I've got one down the road, busy streets. It's perfect for tuning out the world. And when I need to stay aware of my surroundings, the transparency mode lets the ambient sound in naturally. So why this is good is, say you're running around, for example, and want to cross the road, press transparency mode and you can hear the cars. It's really, really good. Like we spoke about in the other video too, these earbuds have 5.3 Bluetooth enabled. So connecting them to my device has always been smooth. They also support multi-device pairing, which is super convenient if you're switching between your phone and laptop. Now, Tozo app itself has been very useful for customizing settings. You can in-depth sound test to create an optimal sound profile based on your hearing, which is unique. A lot of earbuds don't actually have that these days. It's easy to toggle between ANC, transparency, and standard modes. Wind noise reduction is quite good as well, because I go to the beach a lot and there's a lot of wind in the background. The app even allows you to adjust your touch controls. So I set them up perfectly to suit my preferences. And guys, because earbuds always come straight out of the box, it's important to be able to go and adjust them depending on what you guys want. So I'll pop them back in the case just like that. So guys, after a year of use, the Tozo Golden earbuds are still a fantastic investment. They offer high quality sound, durability, long battery life, premium features like ANC, transparency mode, and LDAC support. And for the price, you're getting exceptional value. And I recommend any of these to anyone looking for a premium audio experience without the high price. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out the link below to purchase a pair with a discount. And also check out the giveaways we're doing across our YouTube channels as well. We're giving away headphones, speakers, all different types of products to thank you for being part of it. Anyway, thanks for joining us today. See you later.